Alright, here we go. After months of planning, we finally kicked off the ultimate fit-out for our Toyota 80 series. Just so you know, this video is not sponsored. Let's jump right into it. If we're going to live out of this 80 series for months, maybe even years, and tackle all sorts of off-road tracks, it's gotta be spot on. We're talking air pressure systems, heaps of fast-charging USB slots, 240-volt outlets, a hot water system, outside shower, and a fridge with a full kitchen slide, usually something you'd see on the back of a pickup. Now, we knew what we wanted, but finding someone with the guts to take this project on, that's another story. None of the big-name brands wanted to tackle what could be the ultimate fit-out for a wagon. Then we found Outback Touring Solutions on the Sunshine Coast, and these guys were a godsend. They listened to what we wanted, worked with us for weeks before even taking on the project, and threw in some epic ideas that took the build to the next level. So, let's start with our stock standard 1996 Toyota 80 Series X Limited Active Vacation Edition, the one with the bed and a tiny kitchen that we're still not sure who's supposed to cook in, so it had to go. While installing our front and rear air lockers from ARB, we asked the boys to run an airline to the back so we'd have air pressure. To gain more access to the back, we also opted for the Gull-wings from Land Cruiser Company. To be honest, we expected a bit more. They didn't fit perfectly, and the locking mechanisms are already starting to rust. For more storage, we chose the Hurricane tailgate storage solution, and so far, we're stoked with how it turned out. You can't fit heaps in the tailgate, but things like hoses and blankets tuck in there nicely. Alright, with that done, let's jump into the real project. Thanks to the top-notch 3D modeling software from Outback Touring Solutions, these legends squeezed every millimeter out of the back of our beast and made the almost impossible possible. We wanted a kitchen slide with a workbench, a drawer for cutlery, a storage box, and a 2-burner stove. During the planning, we quickly realized that getting everything on one slide without removing the rear seats wasn't going to happen, and removing the rear seats isn't an option for us. So, Craig came up with the idea of installing a 2-burner induction cooktop instead of a gas burner since we're putting in a 300-amp battery from PowerPaul anyway. This way, we were able to fit a 300mm pan into the storage box and right onto the bigger cooking field. Next up, the hot water system. We wanted an outdoor shower with a water mixer, just in case the missus wants a warm shower after a beach day. It's also handy for washing off sand before climbing into the rooftop tent. Outback Touring Solutions nailed it. They installed a 12-volt, 10-liter water heater behind the storage drawer that works like a charm. With the push of a button, we've got 47 degrees Celsius hot water within 10 minutes. The water will come from a 40-liter tank underneath the car where the spare wheel usually sits. The 12-volt water pump found its perfect spot behind the wall. We just had to ditch the old speaker, which would have been useless anyway. To power all these accessories, including the Bushman 85-liter upright fridge, we went for a 300-amp LiFePO4 battery, managed by the Redarc Manager 30 with the Red Vision display. This setup gives us full control over the load and charge we're getting from the solar panel, which will be mounted on our rooftop tent later. To get 240V into our car, we went with the 3000W inverter from iTech World. This thing runs the induction cooktop and a hairdryer simultaneously. Everything sits behind the fridge, stays cool, and is super well ventilated with aluminum mesh on the back and sides. Alright, those boxes are ticked. Let's get to the storage drawer. It needed to be big enough to store food, drinks, and all sorts of things you need on the road. But it also had to incorporate a foldable table at just the right height to sit and work on a laptop without ending up with a back like Quasimodo. No worries for the boys, they made it work perfectly. For durability and easy maintenance, both the drawer and the table sit on polyethylene slides. To get a bit more organized, we wanted shelves on the passenger side where all our devices can charge, the big jug of sunscreen sits, and general things you need access to now and then. And this is where all the USB and 12V slots come into play because, as you may know, you can never have enough charging spots. I'm not a fan of dozens of buttons, so we kept it simple. 1 button on the left to turn off the inverter and 3 on the right. 1 for the lights, 1 for the water pump, and 1 for the water heater. Easy. We've also got a water mixer, a water outlet, an air pressure outlet, and of course more 12-volt, USB, and 240-volt slots. For the outdoor shower, we've got 2 buttons, one for the heater and one for the 12-volt pump. so we can easily switch it off right from the rooftop tent. Nice and simple. Massive shout out to the legends at Outback Touring Solutions. From start to finish, it was an absolute breeze working with you guys. So far, no rattles or creaks on the tracks, and the craftsmanship paired with the tech has given us the ultimate fit out for our 80 series to take on the world. Now, it's up to superior engineering to make this beast drive like it's floating on clouds. Subscribe, like, and hit the bell button to stay tuned what happens next. See you next time, folks.